My friends, I'm just about a month away from my trip to Tokyo. So I brought my bike in for a series of upgrades today. So I'm getting new sprockets, new chain, new tires, new tubes. So these are things that I really wanted to do before I went on this trip, primarily because I was never happy with the chain that came on the bike, and I wanted to do tires and tubes as well. Now I have to give props to my mechanic because I only brought the bike to him about 3.5 hours ago and he already finished the upgrades. So I'm looking forward to getting the bike on the road and trying it out. Oh wow, the bike feels totally different now. The power I've got behind the actual acceleration is amazing. Oh my god, she really feels amazing. The acceleration through the turn there, the turn was much more confident with the extra torque that I have because of the larger sprocket. So to explain, the upgrades I got, aside from the fact that they're all premium components, so I got premium sprockets, premium chain, especially the chain. The sprocket on the rear is actually bigger. I think it's a 49 tooth instead of the standard 48 that comes with the bike as stock. So it gives me extra torque, extra power on the lower gears, although I lose a bit of top speed. Although to be fair, I never pushed the cub to its top speed, so I haven't lost anything. If anything, I've just gained something. I've customized the bike to my own specification. But I can feel that the acceleration has changed and that the bike sounds different just because of the acceleration. Heck, even the clutch feels different. I don't know why, but the clutch feels totally different. I mean, there must be some way to explain that, but I just can't explain that. I'm assuming it has something to do with the front sprocket. But that acceleration out of the turn is amazing. I'm so glad I did this upgrade. Like, this upgrade is really what I needed for this trip. This acceleration off the line, the quick way I can get to my maximum speed, which I'm comfortable with, which is 60, even though the cub could go 70 if it wanted to. Probably a little less now because of the larger sprocket, but I'm happy with the bike now, to be honest. Like, I'd never push it to 70. Even if I could go 70, I'd never push the bike to 70. I've never even tried to push the bike to 70. Well, anyway, I'm happy with that. I'm going to take her home. I'm going to give her a once over, make sure everything's okay. I think it should be, but it's always safer to check it afterwards. I've got 1 month to go until my trip. I'm actually moving out of my apartment now in a couple of weeks' time. So I'm going to be traveling to my sister's house where I'm going to be staying until I leave on the main trip. But other than that, thanks for joining me on this very short video. I think it's going to be very short, but there's going to be a lot more videos to come now. Jesus, guy gave me a fright there. Whether I'm vlogging or not, it's always good to have the camera rolling, especially on Dublin roads, because stuff like that happens, you know.